Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to apply acrylic powder on very short nails. This can pass for very short nails for some people, and this can be short nails for an average person. So any which way, the way an acrylic powder is applied on long nails is different from the way we apply it on the short nails. So you're going to be picking your acrylic powder very small. You don't want something that will be too much, or you don't want it to be too bulky. Because a lot of people make it very bulky and it doesn't look nice. So I'll pick my acrylic powder, I drop it on the nails, and I'm going to be patting it forward. So first of all, you pat it backward, then you bring it forward. Like I said, you don't need too much acrylic powder for short nails. So we're taking the excess off. I'm going to be making sure that you're applying. You are checking the size of the nails so that the shape of the nails does not change. So I've already shaped these nails. This is not the way it was when I fixed it. So I've shaped it and I've applied my nail primer. That's why you see that it's shining there. So I'm picking another bead now. I'm using white, so I'm picking another bead. I want to do the first one. I did the one bead method. I want to be doing the two bead method here. Whenever though it's three bead method you want to use, they are all okay as long as you can control your bead and you can work with it fast. So as you're applying your acrylic powder, just make sure you're checking the sides so the shape of your nail does not change. I'm going to be picking another one now to put at the back here. I'm going to be bending it forward. Make sure while you're applying you don't have excess at the cuticle area. You don't want excess powder at the cuticle area. So making sure you are taking excess. Anyone under the nails, you can take it off with a drill when you're done. So this actually is inconsequential, the one underneath the nails, like this one sticking out now. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademida. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all, so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So don't forget, while you're applying bringing the bead forward, make sure the shape of the nails does not change. So we are doing white, all white. She wants all white acrylic, all acrylic design with just a butterfly. I'm just going to be putting a butterfly sticker on the white background. Okay. So I'll do the remaining one off camera. When I'm done, I'll come and show you guys what it looks like. So this is it. I'm done applying on all the 10 fingernails. Can you see they don't look too thick? So when you finish shaping them, they will not be too thick and the nails will be looking nice. So I'm going to be filing them now. Let me bring my nail dust collector out. So I'm done filing and buffing. So she wants, like I said, she wants the butterfly on it. So I'll be adding a butterfly. Which one do you want? This half or a full one? Half. Half. This one, right? Okay, so I'll be using this for her.
Like this. Yes. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to be on the second answer. So we have a baby in the house. So it's my friend's baby. He came to visit us today. An 18-month-old baby. So if you hear any baby crying in the background, he's the one. And he's crying because I refuse to allow him to destroy our property. So I'll be placing the top coat on it now.
So now I'll be applying the top coat. I bought this top coat from a Nigerian nail product brand. And name is Onions by Gaga. I'll be leaving the name on the screen so you can see the spelling. Then I think I got this 15 mil for about 3,000 naira or so. 15 mil for 3,000 naira. So I've come to the end of this tutorial. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on this red subscribe button below to join the family. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share to anyone you think might be interested in something new.
Everybody shake it, baby.